this Real Oviedo club you're talking about. It's a Spanish club in second division of Spain. And it was about to go bankrupt. So I got a lot of tweets from hundreds, I will say thousands of people from Oviedo asking us to save the team because they had a deadline until last Saturday, I think it was. If they didn't get 2 million euros, the team will go bankruptcy. So we start seeing the conditions of this team, and it was very interesting because it has one of the best, we call it afición in Mexico. They have one of the best people cheering the team that I have ever seen. It's impressive, the people, how crazy it is about the team. So we thought it was a very good opportunity to invest in this team and with all these people together, because we invested 2 million euros, but all the people around the world invested another 2 million euros buying stocks, I will say 30 euros, 50 euros, 10 euros, and they got 2 million euros altogether. So now we are partners with 27,000 people around the world. And the main goal, as you were asking, is obviously to get this team back to the first division in Spain, which is his history for a long, long time ago. It's a more modest team right now. As I say, it's in second division in Spain. But obviously the goal is to make it a first division team. And of course, if we can go further than that and make it one of the greatest teams, that will be incredible. But that I will say that was not the main goal. The main goal was helping a team that has an incredible story, incredible followers, a lot of followers that are really with their heart involved in the team, and then see the possibility of switching players between Spain and Mexico and giving, I don't know if you know, John, but in the social area of our group, in the foundations, we have the largest soccer tournament in the world with 250,000 players playing one tournament, where we do we do is to make communities much more healthier, no drugs, no violence, etc. So with 250,000 players, we have a lot of players that can be very interesting for professional teams. So part of the idea of buying teams in Mexico, now in Spain, and maybe someday in Latin America, will be giving an opportunity to all these kids that are playing, as I said, the Copa Telmex, which is the biggest, it has the Guinness record of the biggest soccer tournament in the world.